We all dream of living the good life, but how many of us are truly willing to put in the effort required to make it happen? Robert Kiyosaki's famous words from Rich Dad, Poor Dad, "Everyone wants to go to heaven, but no one wants to die," sum it up perfectly. The truth is, many people want wealth, but few are ready to embrace the habits that lead to it. As of 2024, only around 56 million people out of 7 billion on Earth are living the dream. The question is, do you want to join them? Let's dive into the habits that can help you achieve financial freedom. 1. They don't snooze their alarm. We've all been there, snoozing the alarm a few times before dragging ourselves out of bed. But did you know that the rich rarely hit that snooze button? They understand that waking up on time sets the tone for their entire day. They get quality sleep, wake up refreshed, and dive into the day's tasks. It's a small change, but it can have a massive impact on your productivity. If you're someone who stays up late and struggles with mornings, it's time to shift your routine. Give this habit a try, and you'll be amazed at how much more you can accomplish. 2. They make debt work in their favor. Most people avoid debt, but the wealthy understand that debt, when used wisely, can be a tool to build wealth. They differentiate between productive debt, which funds investments or businesses, and destructive debt, which only adds to their liabilities. Productive debt can generate returns, while destructive debt, like buying luxury items, is a financial drain. Instead of shying away from debt, learn how to leverage it for growth. Think about taking out a loan for a business that could bring in returns, rather than sinking money into things that lose value over time. 3. They're avid readers. Next time you walk through the first-class cabin on a plane, take note of how many people are reading. Wealthy individuals know that knowledge is power. Whether it's reading a self-help book, a business magazine, or even something fictional, they always find ways to learn. The key isn't just reading, it's about staying informed. You'll find that successful people are constantly educating themselves, whether it's through books, news, or learning practical skills. If you find it hard to read, audiobooks are an excellent alternative. 4. They are frugal. You might think wealth means luxury, but the truth is, most wealthy people live below their means. They don't splurge on the latest gadgets or designer items. Instead, they budget wisely and avoid unnecessary spending. This frugality is the foundation of their financial success. Don't let social media fool you. Many people flaunting their expensive lifestyles are likely in debt. True wealth is about growing your money, not spending it mindlessly. 5. They practice gratitude. It's easy to assume that wealthy people are cold or ungrateful, but in reality, they are often the most thankful. They take the time to show appreciation to everyone, from their employees to the staff at a restaurant. This gratitude helps build a strong reputation and strengthens relationships, which is key to both personal and professional success. When you express genuine thanks, you're showing that you value people, which can open doors and create opportunities you might have otherwise missed. 6. They maintain discipline through challenges. Discipline is one of the key reasons the wealthy achieve success. It's not about talent. It's about showing up, even when things aren't going your way. Think of athletes like Usain Bolt. His success wasn't just due to his natural ability, but his unwavering discipline to train hard, no matter the circumstances. Wealthy people are focused and committed to their goals, no matter the obstacles. They don't rely on motivation. They use discipline to push through tough times. 7. They rise early. Gone are the days of imagining the rich lounging in bed all morning. In reality, they wake up early and make the most of their time. Early mornings give them a head start on the day, whether it's through meditation, exercise, or tackling important tasks before the rest of the world gets moving. Waking up early isn't just about having extra time. It's about setting a productive tone for your entire day. 8. They invest in themselves. We're all familiar with the concept of investing in stocks, but the wealthy take it a step further by investing in their own personal growth. Whether it's taking a course, upgrading their skills, or even improving their appearance, they know that the best way to grow wealth is to improve themselves. When you invest in your development, you're building confidence and positioning yourself for bigger opportunities. The more you invest in you, the more others will be willing to invest in your ideas. 9. they continue to add value. To stay successful, the rich constantly find ways to add value. This is why companies like Apple and Microsoft are always innovating and staying ahead of the curve. It's not just about keeping up. It's about constantly improving and offering something new. Whether it's providing value to customers, employees, or investors, staying relevant is key to long-term success. The rich understand that staying valuable is what keeps them on top. Number 10. They buy experiences, not things. Let's face it, material items don't bring lasting happiness. The wealthy know this, which is why they spend their money on experiences, like vacations, adventures, and spending quality time with loved ones. These moments provide more value than any designer handbag or luxury car ever could. Instead of splurging on things, invest in experiences that enrich your life. The memories and lessons you gain from these experiences will serve you far longer than any material possession. Number 11. They look after their health. The rich understand that health is wealth. They make time for regular exercise, healthy eating, and mental well-being through activities like meditation and reading. Without good health, all the money in the world won't matter. So they prioritize maintaining their physical and mental well-being. Investing in your health is just as important as investing in your finances. It's the foundation for everything else. Number 12. They leave an inheritance for their children. Finally, the wealthy understand the importance of setting up future generations for success. They don't just leave behind money. They ensure their children are financially literate and prepared to continue growing the family's wealth. It's not about handing over a fortune without guidance. It's about teaching the next generation how to manage and multiply that wealth, ensuring that prosperity continues for years to come. Remember, these habits are not just for the rich. They're for anyone who wants to live a better, more successful life. It's about making small changes today that will pay off in the future. So, are you ready to start? Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.